Today we're going to replace the control belt on the Tascam 244. I talked earlier about one of the giveaways for this being a buzzing sound coming from the machine. I don't know if you can already hear that in the background, but let's go handheld. I'll just turn it over. I think you can probably hear that now. That's that little motor. It's going as fast as it can. I'll reach round. Turn that off. I've intentionally removed this control belt to demonstrate that, but if you're having this problem you might find there's a partly decomposed belt there or it's just really loose. So get your replacement belt, hook it over the white wheel, put it over the pulley of the control motor. If you turn it back on, I'll do a little turn to check that it's in the right place, i.e. stop mode. We haven't engaged play or anything. And I'll quickly demonstrate this working. If I press the play and fast forward buttons and so on, I just put a tape in so you can now see that the capstan motor is turning. I can stop that with my finger, then you can see it start up again. And that's because the cassette's pushing up the little switch up here. Now if I press play and so on, fast forward, rewind, and stop. And so every time I pressed the button you could see this motor was increasing its torque so that this moved enough to change all the cams and gears, and then that corresponded to a resistance here, and once it reached its target resistance then the logic circuit said stop, that's where I want you. In the next video we'll look at removing the transport from the chassis to make it easier to change this belt and to change the idler tyres and the pinch roller.